Looks like it took hours to paint, right? Nope. I generated this entire set in less than 30 seconds. Here is the exact workflow. Step 1. Click the tool link in the description below. It takes you straight to the generator. Step 2. Just type in what you need. For example, a glowing magic potion. Then hit run. Step 3. Wait for it. And boom! High-quality assets in seconds. Not perfect? No problem. Just hit run again or tweak your prompts. You can generate infinite variations until you find the one. Final step. Once you're happy, click here and hit download. It's clean, professional, and ready for your game immediately. It really is that simple. Stop drawing, start creating. Link is down below.